Today I welcome my friend here to talk something about how to improve English being alone.
Thank you for this beautiful opportunity, guys. Hi, how are you doing? I hope you all are keeping well. If you're gonna learn English alone, it is possible and you can do it. If a person like me can talk English alone, it is possible to talk English wherever you're. Even if a single person are there with you, you'll be able to talk English. So I'm gonna show you my personal opinion
Yeah.
that you're gonna apply in your life and you'll be able to talk English just like a Native American person. That is great. So stay tuned, listen my personal opinion.
Yeah.
Guys, I speak a lot of language. I speak Hindi, Shajri, Kadiya, Oriya, and more or less many. In India, we have a lot of language. Every part you move, more or less I understand a lot of language in India. Being an Indian person talking like an American person, it's not easy. I did a lot of research and studied a lot of books, and that is why I'm able to talk right now the English where you're able to listen.
Yeah.
So I'm greatly thankful for myself, and this is what I did it. So you're gonna listen what I did. That if you're gonna do it, your English is improved dramatically. So great. So what are you gonna do that your English will become so powerful, fantastic? First, have a dream to learn English.
Yes.
Great. If you have a dream to learn English, nobody is gonna stop you for it. Nobody, not even a single person will stop you not to learn English. So have a dream to learn English. For a person, everything is possible in this universe.
Yeah.
If you have a dream to learn English, it is possible to learn English. So that is what I am telling my friend. Have a dream. If you have a real dream to learn, you can do it. Guys, it is really possible. And that is what I did it. I had a dream to learn English, and that is what I'm able to talk English. But guys, if you have a dream to learn English and not able to find the sources, we are here to help you out. So guys, how did I learn English? That is the personal question. So I'm gonna tell you, I more or less listened to English. People were really talking. Nowadays we have a lot of YouTube and maybe movies. I was watching lots of English movie, and that is what I listen. Hey, that is a fight. It's really surprise. Sometimes I didn't understand the English movie,
Yeah.
but I was reading the subtitle and able to see, wow, but really hit my brain, and that is the music of English. Means while they're talking, how could they speak super? I mean, it's really surprised. It touches your mind and brain.
Yeah.
So that is something awesome.
Yeah.
And
Right.
they used to talk English with relaxed body. In the case of learning American accent, it was so fantastic. I mean, they're able to relax their body and able to talk English super fast without any effort. So how it is possible? And that is it. You can. It is possible. It is all connected with your body and your breathing. That is why more or less in all my video I say, try to breathe well, and focus your body. In order to talk English, I would say 70% of your speaking English depends on your body, and the 30% depends on the vocabulary, grammar, and this and that. But if you really train your body to talk English, it is possible. And that is what I started speaking English, and guys, here is the result. And you are able to see I'm able to talk English, and that is also like an American person. So it is possible to talk English. So I'm really happy about it. Can you understand my accent?
Yeah. My friend is really speaking high, and he has really great experience about learning English being alone. So he told me that to learn English we must have dream, and he did it, and he listened most of the videos from YouTube, from Google, from any that he had in his life, and that is what he gave more important to listening English in his life. So even you can do and learn this language perfect, and you can use in your.
But I never thought that, I always thought in my life that How can I make English as my personal language?
Yes.
Of course, people say, "Oh my God, people they speak American accent, so it is their English."
Yeah.
If the person is speaking Indian accent, it is his English.
Yes.
But I never thought about it. How can I make English my own language? That is what I started learning English. How can I make English as my own language?
Yes.
And that gave me real power to talk in English. More or less, people learn English by watching news and watching movie, but I did it when I started as a A1 level. But as I started speaking English, it became as a real part of my life. How can I make as a part of my life so that I can move in English, talk to the people in English, and overall feel the beauty of English that you have in your body. And that is what we need, guys. If you're talking in English, not able to feel from your body, it is not.
Yeah.
How are you gonna talk to them? If I'm asking, hey, can you give me a bottle of water? If you're really thirsty, you're asking him. But that is what you have to talk in English, and that is the beauty of language. Any language that you learn, you must feel to talk in that language, and that is gonna give you strength and ability to stay and look future.
That's right. I'm really happy about it because the response is really something awesome. I really, it is amazing, man. So that is what even you can listen to me, even how I'm talking here, and my friends really he highlighted you how to learn English and how to feel it in English, and that is the real fact that we must know to speak English. So in my case, my dear friends, when I was learning English, I used to have like, how can I learn English being alone at home and like that. But now I can see even you and I, he, everybody in the world can be learning English because he told already there is what is called the social media has made you, and you'll find a lot of professors like you and me and you. We all are professors, but from where you learn it depends. So that is what we are not alone, but we can improve by the help of the others. So that is what my friend told so many things that you do that, you do this. If you really believe in his words, you will be able to learn English even if you're alone. Because we are here, isn't it? And that is what. So tell me how you can make music. In a sense, I use something told about, in a sense you can feel, but because we are talking like in music, that is what I think I am feeling a little fascinated about you, and it's really amazing. Can you say something?
Fantastic, that is great. So, what is music, guys? Music is life. Without music, nobody lives in this world. It means you need a life, you need music, and that is what. Who doesn't like music? Is there any person in this universe who doesn't like music? No, everybody wants music, and that is why you are able to see the great YouTube channel in this world is T-series. That is also in music. So that is why every person is good for learning music, and music gives us relax our body and brain, and that is what the music is really good for everything. So guys, music is a part of our life. Sometimes we are aware of it and sometimes we are not, but music is working inside of you. Maybe you are aware of it, maybe not, who knows, but it is really working in your body, and that is why you are able to talk any language. You are able to walk. Even if you are walking, there is a music. Even if you are climbing on the tree, swimming on the river, everywhere there is a music, and that is why we are able to survive, able to live our life in this world. But especially if you are talking, if you are playing anything, there is a music. But guys, we do not find the music ourselves. But that is why we are born and brought up with innate idea of music. A child is born with music. You are born with music, and that is why the child is able to cry. Ah! It's able to cry. It means there is a music. Everything, a part is music. Without music, no life. The wind is blowing everything. But guys, if you want to learn the music of English, that is something fantastic. You learn there is a scale like do re mi fa sol la ti do, do re mi fa sol la ti do. And when you make it faster, what happens? Do re mi fa sol la si do, do re mi fa sol la si do. And that is what we are playing the music. And when we are talking in English, it is taking place in our body. It is happening in our body. It means I'm asking you, hey, can you pass me the bottle of water?
Yeah.
So I'm saying, hey, can you pass me the bottle of water? The music is working inside of me, and that is why I'm able to feel and talk to you. Hey, can you pass the bottle of water? And I'm able to feel it, and that is why singers are able to sing song,
Yes.
and they're able to feel good about their English, and that is it. Every night in my dream I see you. That is why now you go on. I believe, but my heart sings, my heart sings. Go on. That is what the singer is able to play the music, able to sing the music, and that is happening in your body. And that is what, guys, if you do not know what is music, it is so simple. Guys, you need a flow, and that is called music. Music is something that flows from one place to the next place. If you're sitting here, if you're able to move effortlessly from one place to the next place, that is called music. That is why if you're climbing on the mountain, and if you're not tired, that means you found the music of your walk, and that is why you're able to climb over the mountain and you're not tired.
Yeah.
But if you're not finding the music, your leg has problem, your body is paining, and if you're climbing on the mountain, how are you able to climb? Is it possible to climb?
Never.
Never. So you won't find music. So in order to find music well, your body must be fit,
Yes.
well fit. That is why I always introduce train a breathe well, train your body, and you'll be able to become proud of yourself, and you'll feel that you're a living person, and that is it.
Yes.
That is more or less, I would say, this is the music, guys. You sing, and that is music. So I hope you understood what is music. If you haven't understood, guys, please feel free to comment me, and I'm going to bring a big keyboard and play sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. Then you'll be able to understand what is music. But in Latin, do re mi fa sol la ti do. I'm really happy about it.
Yes, I'm quite happy about it, and it's really fantastic. The way we respond to the viewers of our world is really amazing. So you introduce what is music in English. In every languages, music is working very much. And that is what I believe. He told me very details that music is playing and making beautiful the languages. And that is what he's able to talk American English because he has got the rhythm
I'm
of
not
English.
perfect in American accent.
Yes,
guys.
he's
I'm learning it. And, it's
and I'm
not
talking. We all are learning, isn't it? But my way of saying is that everybody can improve his or her English when he practice alone, and that is what. Unless until you don't practice, don't make your voice as a music, you can't. He sang a beautiful English song, and that was really fabulous. And I think this is what we can make our body relax through the music. And even I think that I really agree with what you say about that music is really helping us to speak better. And that is what I see for beginners and those who are really improving language, and they must make their voice with the singing. Like if I sing, whether you sing Hindi song or English song, doesn't matter. Even if you don't know, so make your voice with song like मैं दुनिया भुला दूंगा तेरी चाहत में मैं दुनिया भुला दूंगा तेरी चाहत में. So like this, if you sing song, what is happening is you're able to control your breath and you're able to exhale it very nicely. So when you're singing song, you're able to take the breath and you're able to hold it, and that is what my friends told about it. So how do you practice in your daily life? Can you say something about that?
About practicing, talking.
Yes. So that my viewers can understand how they can learn English being alone, because practice is main matter.
That is the way you wanna talk English like a Native American person. I always think and it feel that we must try to talk English better.
Yeah.
We must talk English what is better for us, and we'll be able to live the life that we have in this earth. So guys, you wanna talk English, practice English, live English, dream English. That is awesome, and that is what you're in the right place, and I'm training you to do it. Wake up early in the morning and just have the dream to see your life early in the morning, guys. When you are waking up, you are able to see your dream, that you are able to listen in English, learn English, live English, talk in English, and that is gonna give you the dream. Really focus your life to talk in English. And when we're going any part as a beginner level, we are really practicing in English, listening in English, writing in English, speaking in English, and that is what we are able to talk in English. But it takes time to do it. But if you're doing it over and over again and again, it will become the part of your life. How did you learn your language that you are speaking right now? If I'm going to ask you, what are you going to say? You learn it by yourself, by listening to your parents, by listening to your brothers and sisters. But when it comes while speaking English, we haven't learned it, we haven't listened it. That is why we have having problem in speaking English. But if you really listen English, you'll be able to talk English. There will not be any problem for you to talk in English. So guys, try to immerse yourself in English speaking place, either by video or offline, online, doesn't matter, but try to immerse yourself in English. And I guarantee you'll be able to talk English like a Native American person. Great!
Really, I appreciate about it, and here I come at the conclusion that really he told that in order to learn, we have to what is called in the sense immerse with what is called immerse with English. We have to make atmosphere that surrounding in English, and you will be able to learn. And that is what I say, my dear friends. Make English part of your life. Wherever you go, whatever you do, just keep on listening English and you will be able to learn English. And that is the message. I really thank him for sharing his life, his experience, how you and I can improve English being alone. And this is why I would say let's practice how, what, and why he said about it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, because in this video you have given how you can improve your English being alone through so many ideas from here and there. You can collect the things. So that is how we can learn English. This is what we are gonna teach you, and in the simple methods, every day we are gonna teach you something beautiful things, how you can improve your English. He's gonna give you, I'm here. So both of us, we are trying to teach all Indians how they can improve their English, and that is our great hope. So at last I would say, like this video, and if you have some comments you can write them down, and that is what I expect from you. I will give you my love and all concern for you guys. That is what I say. Bye bye. God bless you.